What do we want? Evidence-based science. When do we want it? After peer review.
Report by scientists from 13 federal agencies obtained by the New York Times directly contradicts claims by the Trump administration that human contribution to climate change is uncertain and that the ability to predict the effects is limited.
People have called me a climate skeptic or a climate denier. I don't know what it means to deny the climate. I would say that they're climate exaggerators.
Scott Pruitt, administrator of the Environmental Protection Agency, one of the 13 agencies that must approve the document, has frequently questioned the extent of human impact on climate change.
The climate is changing, and human activity contributes to that change in some measure. The real issue is how much we contribute to it, and measuring that with precision.
The report states, many lines of evidence demonstrate that human activity, especially emissions of greenhouse gas, heat-trapping gases, are primarily responsible for recent observed climate change.
Global warming is occurring, that human activity contributes to it in some manner, but it still begs the question, what do we do about it? Does it pose an existential threat, as some say?
The authors of the draft report write, quote, "It is very likely that the accelerated rate of Arctic warming will have a significant consequence for the United States."
Measuring with precision human activity on the climate is something very challenging to do, and there's tremendous disagreement about the degree of impact.
According to the report, it is extremely likely that more than half of the global mean temperature increase since 1951 was caused by human influence on climate. Scientists are calling this a test case. This is the first major federal climate science report to come out in the Trump administration, and how the administration reacts to it could set the tone on climate change for years to come.